Welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pa social media. Talent chiwenga nyomba ED ZANU PF Sir Wicknell na makandiwa idedzera kuti murimbavha dzevanhu same WhatsApp group muda kuzviitisa tiri kukuona itakakutarisai muri kubira nyika.
Why is he throwing all money like just like Chivayo? I looked at Makandiwa and I said Makandiwa has become a Chivayo version 2. Wicknell is buying people cars for no reason. Makandiwa then dangles 1 million for no reason. There's no reason for this million.
Sure.
No. I think Makandiwa has realized that Chivayo has stolen the limelight.
Okay.
Let me get back to the limelight by offering a substantial amount of money. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. It shouldn't have happened.
No.
If it was President Mnangagwa who offered this million and asked all prophets to come, it could be a competition. Not a prophet calling for prophets to compete.
Yeah.
But he is not himself participating. It's a fraud.
Indeed.
The gifts of God are not for sale.
No.
So what Makandiwa has done is he has proven that he doesn't know God.
Oh, yes.
Because he is inviting people to sell the gift of God to him.
Yes, yes.
If there is a true prophet with the power to prophesy anything, he will not attend Makandiwa's charade, Makandiwa's scandalous charade. Well, yes, a lot of people tried to ask me to respond or to react to this matter. And I was not very much interested in the hype, in the conversations that I saw on social media.
Yes.
Yes. Apart from everything we have said in the years about Makandiwa's deceptions and his marauding behavior in Zimbabwe, where he tries to steal prominence by coming up with scandalous utterances after a few months. Not so long ago, he talked about him being more gifted than God.
Yes.
If you look at it, I think he's advised by a person who has done some journalism that in order for you to remain relevant, every now and again, do something, say something that causes media hype, that causes the whole country, if not the whole world, to talk about you. That way, people won't forget about you. Because remember, he has made himself a brand. So he has to sell all the time. Because of his appetite for money, he must do something so that the stream of money doesn't run dry. But I saw this challenge from him. If anyone is a true prophet or even a false prophet, but if you can give an accurate prophecy, I will give you 1 million. So naturally, I am not interested in this matter for 2 or 3 reasons. The first reason is that this is not a church event. This is not a gospel event either.
No.
There is no church where there are competitions of prophecy. Let's say even if we say there's a gift of healing, then somebody says we are competing on who will heal this person.
No.
So all healers must come. Those healers must surely be using demonic powers and influences. Because anyone who has the power of God also is bound by the culture of godliness.
Yes.
You don't do anything anyhow. There are boundaries. There are things you can do and there are things you cannot do. So that is the first reason. This is not a church event where there is a competition in which a person is going to win money. So let's assume that prophecy is a gift from God. And one is a true prophet who can tell what is in Makandiwa's pocket and then get the money. The question is, has God given anyone a gift for which he must make a financial gain? Has God given anyone a gift for which he can get a financial gain? So you say, I thank God he made me a prophet. I used this gift in a competition. It's a spiritual gift. And I competed with other prophets. And I won. And I became a millionaire.